This is a new cordless drill that I got. I like the color. I just want to take you through it real quick. So if I hit the button, you can see this giant LED light turns on. You do have a battery gauge up here. If I click the button, I can turn the light on and off. It does come with 2 batteries. You get power into the batteries with a very easy plug, which I kind of like. You don't have to worry about having like a docking station or anything like that. But these are the 2 batteries. They slip in like that. It does have a tether and a holder back here, okay? You have your forward and reverse. You have your trigger, of course, here. You have your torque up here, high speed and low speed. You have your driver screwing, and you also have a hammer drill as well. So it can drill into concrete right here at the top. And you just rotate by just rotating that. You have your settings up here as well. So your torque basically. You know, if you don't want to over torque something, you can turn it down. I always have mine high, but if you're going to something maybe into plastic or something like that, you can turn it all the way down so you don't over torque it. Now I really like the chuck in this. So let me show you how you kind of use this. You bring it till it's tight, but then you have to do this extra little, see that? And that's what tightens it down, okay? Now I have been testing this thing and playing with it to see how strong it is. I'm going to show you in a minute, but it also comes with this like flexible bit, which is really nice. So if you need to screw around a corner, it comes with some, you know, kind of a starter bit little kit, which is really nice. You have a paddle bit and some other things. It even comes with a concrete bit, which is really nice because they're expensive. And it comes with these kits, these bits as well. Let me show you the strength of this thing. I was kind of impressed. So I was playing around with this. This is a very long screw, of course. So let me run this in. And I'm gonna have to go off the table so I don't go through my table. But if I now turn it to the lower speed, I can torque that thing all the way through. So very strong, very long screw, very hard wood here. Another thing I'll show you, so you take this out like that and we can put in our concrete bit. So you can see I have played with it, I have tested it. We'll tighten this down again, like that. And I'll bring you over here, and I'll show you where I've been kind of just testing, little hole. Oh, I gotta put it in the concrete mode. So hammer mode, hammer drill, and you'll hear it hammer. So you can see I've been messing around, seeing how it does, and it does drill into concrete, as expected. So it's very nice, it's light as well, which I really like. I don't see any need to have a heavier tool if it's capable. But yeah, that is the tool. I hope I covered all of the features that you're looking for. It has rubber here so that if it does fall, it's falling onto rubber. You know, it's not falling onto just hard plastic and breaking. Let's check to make sure it still works. And I'm sure it does. So yeah. So there you go. That is the cordless electric drill. Giant light, indicator there, hammer drill, nice metal chuck.